To the people of the beautiful country of Somalia, I say Assalamu alaikum to you all. You will all agree with me that for any society to function and prosper, the police must be there to maintain justice, law and order, and to ensure the security of persons and property. We are therefore grateful to the police contributing countries of Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Uganda, and Zambia for deploying their officers under AMISOM in order to train, instruct, mentor their Somali police counterparts. These officers bring wealth of knowledge and experience. Many people in south-central Somalia regions of Banaadir, Hirshabelle, Jubaland, and Southwest will attest to the dedication, effectiveness, and professionalism of AMISOM police, working together with the Somali police force. In these areas and elsewhere, AMISOM police are leading the way in the training of Somali police recruits, in the implementation of reforms, in restructuring, reorganizing, and development of a professional Somali police force that observes and respects human rights, gender, as well as protection of persons and property.